Data is the lifeblood of businesses worldwide, and data science is the most popular career field in the world today. You have come to the right place to learn data science. At AI Sciences, we have established an international learning platform specifically for young students, beginners, small enterprises, startups, and managers who are new to data science and artificial intelligence. We aim to become the #1 online data science learning platform. You will fall in love with our learning by doing methodology, as it will allow you to immediately apply what you learn. Our highly interactive, systematic, and practical courses will help you learn skills that are crucial to developing AI and data science projects. The mini projects in our courses focus on the skills that you will need at your workplace. Our courses cover both data science and artificial intelligence fields. In addition to basic intro courses and language programming courses, you can also pursue advanced courses in machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, big data, and much more on our dynamic learning platform, using programming languages like Python, R, and other data science and AI software. Your course curriculum combines HD video tutorials from renowned experts, on-demand course materials, challenging self-testing exercises, interactive projects, collaboration with your peers, and 24/7 learning support. Our courses have had phenomenal success. Here are the numbers. Our courses have helped more than 100,000 students coming from 160+ countries all around the world to master AI and data science. Our experts have meticulously developed our online courses, keeping them concise, to the point, short, and comprehensive, so that you can understand everything clearly and effectively and start practicing the applications right away. We also offer consultancy and corporate training in AI and data science for enterprises so that their staff can navigate through the workflow efficiently. Soon, we plan to launch paid freelancing on our platform. This will allow you to practice the skills and methods you learn and become a data science freelancer.